Yet another great sale is around the corner in Amazon and Flipkart, the retail giants. It would make absolute sense to look at what they have to offer and their marketing strategies, which restricts our mind from rational thinking before we make a purchase decision. I don't know if you have heard the saying that numbers can lie and hide the truth. We observe discounts in humongous percentages, which has a psychological effect on us to purchase something that instant or miss out on the deals. What Amazon and Flipkart does is legal and ethical as per our law, but what they exploit more than anyone else is something that is synonymous with all of us, the MRP or the maximum retail price. Let me just make it clear that I am explaining things based on the Indian perspective. I have referred multiple articles on MRP and found a good one in legalserviceindia.com, which I will link below. So what is maximum retail price? MRP is the price which is all inclusive of taxes in India, and it is the maximum price limit that any retailer can charge for the product. But there is a catch with MRP. It is not the actual price of the product. It could be anywhere from 10 to 15% lower than MRP, or even 30 to 50% lower in some cases. And this is exactly what is utilized by the retail giants, especially in these sale situations. I am in the process of creating an Excel file which contains the data of a few selected items from Amazon and Flipkart. It is a comparison of the prices during the previous sale and the change in prices post that sale. You can find the link to the file mentioned below. So, how can you avoid the psychological trick of these online retail giants which might hamper your decision on what you actually need and restrain yourself from making uninformed and sudden decisions just by seeing the huge discount numbers? The first thing to do is research on something that you want to purchase, be it a phone, camera, television, washing machine, microwave oven, or even a USB cable, and shortlist something that you have decided to buy well in advance. The second thing is to create a wish list and add the product to your wish list. The third thing to do is to monitor the prices and track the changes to know whether there is some real discount during these sales. There can be cases where there might not be real discounts during the sale also. This is how you can make a well-informed decision about the product that you want to buy. This is applicable for all items available on online retail websites. While checking the prices, keep an extra check on whether these websites are mentioning the MRP always. For example, I have observed that Amazon has not disclosed the MRP of the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro as I am preparing this script on Sunday, January 17th afternoon. It is just mentioned as price. Whereas for iPhone 11 and 12 mini, there is a clear demarcation of MRP and selling price as on date. Well, that's what I wanted to convey through this video. You can make use of the Excel sheet below to create a similar one and keep a track of the prices. There are instances when the price might drop off without any special sales day and so on. Let me use this opportunity to thank the person who had donated through Buy Me a Coffee link anonymously. Anyway, that's it guys. Thank you for all the support. See you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.